Text message not sending. How to fix failed message error on Instagram. To fix if a text message is not being able to send, let's say for any sort of example, the first thing you want to check is the Instagram settings. So come to your profile page on Instagram, tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side, and from here scroll down and look for the option called messages and story replies, and go to the option called message request. Here under who can send you message request, you might have set this to no one. When this is the case, no one will be able to send you request. So what you want to do is set this to at least your followers or everyone, so that people can reach out to you. Who can add you to group chats also, same, and the type of messages request, and you can also allow the access to messages if you wish to. If this doesn't help, and if you're using the Instagram app on mobile, simply long press the app and uninstall it and reinstall it. Also try to check for Instagram servers. So open your browser and search for Instagram server status, and you'll find down detectors server status. Check if the Instagram is facing outages right now. In that case, you might have to wait or update the Instagram app from your Play Store or your App Store to hopefully go ahead and then solve that issue. So hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.